This is Seema here from Paper Passions, and today I'm here to share a small tip with you that I find very useful whenever um, I need small accents. So I keep a bunch of them ready. Now, all of us are very familiar with glossy accents, and we love to use it on our cards and add dimension and shine, and just that little something to the card. Like here I have this heart. It's very as you can see, it's got glittery heart. So but it's not done from, I've not used Pink of Stella or um, glossy accents. It's just basically a glitter nail polish that I used here. So that's what I'm going to show you, how you can make little pieces like this, and I can put it on a card and no one would realize that it's not really glossy accents. Um, okay, so I have a piece of cardstock already cut here from shiny paper. This paper is very shiny, nice and shiny. I need uh, any just a slick surface where I can put this, because I don't want to destroy my paper behind. So I just put it up there like so. And here I'm using a clear nail polish. You can use any clear or clear glitter nail polish to make this. Just holding it down and then going ahead and applying my nail polish directly onto that surface. You can do this to any shape of any punch out shape, or even on, you can add it directly to your project as well, and it will not be that big an issue. Here we are dealing with a small piece, so I have to hold it down and be careful. Just now that I've covered the entire surface, I might just go in and drop a piece, just spread it around, and just take you closer 1 second. Here you see, you can see that dimension. It's got that dimension like any other glossy accent, right? There it is, and I'll just spread it around on the edges, as you can see. And, and, and once it's dry, it takes a little longer than glossy accents to dry, of course, because you have to leave it for a day or two. But you can make them in advance from scrap paper. We all have loads of scrap paper left around here and there, and you can use any color of scrap paper. I right now have a bunch here in star. I just punched out this star here, and I'll be using that also. Uh, I just realized that I ran out of my clear glitter nail polish. Otherwise, but I can show you somewhere, as I showed you just now, that this particular heart was a red, and it has been topped with clear glitter nail polish, and it has a nice shine to it. So is this one, I think. This, I think, is just clear piece, and there was it was a scrap from an embossed piece of paper. So you can see that embossing on the other side inside the heart. There's another punch that I really. This was a star paper, and I just punched out these hearts from it, and the paper, the pattern of the paper. It shows through quite clearly, and there's quite a bit of dimension there. This particular technique to make many small embellishments for your cards and projects. Any kind of nail polish can be used. You do not need to use any expensive nail polish. You can also use fluorescent colors and make your own enamel dots with using these techniques in different sizes, using different shapes. I would also like to share with you a project where I've added this nail polish directly onto the um, paper, and it's still not dry enough, but as you can see it, you can see the pattern behind the nail polish, and it is in the process of drying. I um, hope you use this, and if you find this useful, please leave me a comment, like and subscribe and share it. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye bye.